A senior Ukrainian official reported that the bodies of more than 1,000 civilians are being stored in morgues in the Kyiv region after Russian troops withdrew from areas around the capital. Ms. Olga Stefanishina, Deputy Prime Minister for European and Euro-Atlantic Integration of Ukraine, released a statement that the bodies of the civilians were found in the buildings as well as on the streets. Her comments came after police in the Kyiv region said that they had discovered the remains of 9 civilians buried in communal graves in Borodyanka, some kilometers close to the capital. The civilians were reportedly killed or tortured to death. In a video which went viral on social media, family members of 17-year-old Faisal can be seen and heard crying and mourning. Faisal recently joined the terror ranks with Lashkar. Members of his family can be seen crying and screaming, appealing him to surrender at the encounter site in Baramulla, North Kashmir. They can be heard cursing the terrorists and abusing them as goons and pickpockets. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson is on a 2-day visit to India. On Thursday, he visited the factory of the British heavy equipment maker JCB at Gujarat's Halol industrial area near Vadodara. The Prime Minister's visit to the bulldozer factory attracted outsized attention as it came amid a growing controversy over razing homes and shops by BJP-controlled governments and municipalities in a campaign that the opposition and activists say has targeted mostly Muslims. His visit was criticized as tone-deaf and ironic as it coincided with the Supreme Court's renewing orders to stop the demolitions in Delhi's Jahangirpuri. On his visit, Johnson will aim to strengthen bilateral ties with India in areas of security, defense and trade. India today condemned US Congresswoman Ilhan Omar's visit to Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. The Congresswoman is on a 4-day visit to Pakistan starting on April 20th, where she has also met former Prime Minister Imran Khan and his successor Shehbaz Sharif. The Foreign Ministry released a statement and said that her visit violates the territorial integrity of the country and therefore matters to India. The Congresswoman is on a 4-day visit to Pakistan from April 20th to April 24th. Jharkhand local media reported that over 50 people are feared trapped after an abandoned coal pit collapsed in Jharkhand's Dhanbad district. According to the report, illegal mining was going on in the abandoned coal pit when the incident took place. In February this year, an illegal coal mine in Dhanbad had collapsed, killing over 24 workers. The sealed coal mine being operated illegally caved in after a mining equipment fell from the height of 20 feet. The rescue work of those trapped has begun.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.